Who do you think should I dip him in the coffee? And I think I'm kind of over the rusk itself. Let's keep the bun for now. That's it for today's Tamas little coffee session. Let's start with the vlog. Oh no, I completely forgot. We've got some new package in the building. I've got two new books. One is this Atomic Habits. This one, Sapiens. How do you spell it? Okay, Sapiens, A Brief History of Human Mankind. Till now, I've read only self-help books. This is something new. I'll tell you guys my experience after completing. From Tamas smell test, this book actually smells nice than this. This is kind of, a little bit old. Okay, back to the vlog. There's this little cute story between a crow and cow. So the crow said, "Hey cow, what are you up to?" And the cow said, "Hello crow, I'm just having a late lunch. What are you doing?" And the crow said, "Nothing much. Why do you stick your neck through the fence to eat the grass over there?" And the cow said, "You know the old saying, the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence." Crow, not from where I am sitting. You've got plenty of grass on your side. And the cow said, "I guess you're right. I have developed a very bad habit during the past couple of days, that is comparing myself to others. Generally, when I wake up, I try not to use my phone or see social media. Apparently, my dumb brain wanted to check social media and look through it. I saw a tweet that was liked by another person. The tweet which he liked was involved with a YouTuber, which I ended up comparing myself to him. It's one of those moments where it makes me feel vulnerable and doubt myself of seeing the success of huge YouTubers. This metaphor was very apt for this whole situation. Even though I am grateful for what I have and I am happy with what I have, just the comparison of me to other people in my community, and I end up in a vicious cycle of thoughts which are not healthy. This whole comparison was not for that want of clout and subscribers and all those money. Back in the days, I used to compare myself to people who are less fortunate than me or less than me in any way. I used to feel good that at least I am, more than him or more fortunate than him. That actually made me feel more miserable because, as the metaphor says, the grass is always greener on the other side. This whole comparison thing works as if you're still comparing him and it's not gonna benefit me in any way, it's not gonna give me any money, and at the same time, the person who I am jealous of is already growing at the same time while I'm wasting my time thinking about him. After the experience of all these incidents, the thing that I learned is focusing on your own garden is really good for me. The only thing that I could do is add more water to my garden, try to take care of it, try to focus it, try not to look at others' garden. I also realized that no matter how well I am doing in life, just that comparison of myself to other people is just gonna give me resentment, and at the end of the day, it's only gonna make me feel bad because there's absolutely gonna be people more happier than me, wealthier than me, successful than me, who is maintaining his own garden at the other side of the fence and he is only focusing on his garden. I also got to understand that life isn't fair for everyone who is living on the planet Earth. Some people are already born wealthy, some people are really poor, some people are not born healthy, with all the necessary human organs. But at the other side, some people are born in mansion, for example, Kylie Jenner's. Life isn't fair for every one of us. We lack something in every domain of our life, but end of the day, it is my responsibility and I can try to play the game of life in a way that I want to. Only after all of this lesson, I gained a sense of self-worth, who's worthy enough to have existed on the planet Earth.